like Scooby-Doo, I fuck her like a dog. Eat the bass like Scooby snacks, then I go hard. Girl, drop your man, cause he ain't shit, I'll take you far. She drop it too.
Hey y'all, welcome back to your girl's channel. It's your girl KJ, and in today's video I will be styling this blue hair. If you guys like this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Okay, so I bought this wig from Amazon, and all the links will be down below. I did buy this wig from Amazon. This is a 4x4 lace closure, and as you can see on the sides of it, that's a track that I dyed or whatever, but the track is like a little white, so I wound up cutting that off, and the lace is already cut. It came with a transparent lace. I wound up bleaching the knots or whatever, and I also gave myself some baby hairs. So with this hair, I wound up watercoloring it. So if y'all don't know, all you do is get a bucket, get some dye, whatever color, and put some hot water in it and stir it up, and boom, you got your color, and dip your wig in it. So that is what I did for this wig. I did it twice, and it turned out with this pretty royal blue color. So right here I am just crimping my wig. So right here I'm just crimping the wig and just crimping it all around. And I got this crimping iron from Amazon, and like I said, everything will be in the description box below, so definitely check that out. And this is a really nice crimping iron. I think the brand of this is Revlon or something like that, I don't know, but that link will be in the description box below. But this was my first time using the crimping iron on my wig, well, using it at all. Like, this is my first time using it, so I didn't think it would be so good, but it is affordable, so everything will be down below. Just check it out. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. This is how the crimps turned out. I wound up doing my baby hairs and cutting a little bit of the track. If you guys like this video, definitely like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel. Y'all already know the deal. And go ahead and continue to watch this video to see how it was looking on your girl. I was looking fine. So go ahead and watch.